In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a credit note and allocate it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. This process is simple and can be accomplished in just a few minutes, allowing you to efficiently manage billing adjustments and ensure your accounts are accurate. First, let's begin by signing into Zoho Books. You'll want to head over to the login page and click on the Sign In button. For most users, selecting the Google option is a handy choice if you're already integrated. From the resulting drop-down, choose the Google account you use for Zoho Books. Now, it's important to have a bit of patience here. Depending on your internet speed, the loading time might vary, but rest assured it will bring you to the main dashboard soon. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales tab found at the top of your screen. This tab is your go-to place for managing anything related to your sales transactions. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, click Credit Notes. You're directed to a comprehensive list of all your current credit notes, helping you keep tabs on outstanding credits and issued adjustments. To proceed with creating a new credit note, hit the button labeled Create New Credit Note. You'll then be prompted to enter the customer details. Choose the relevant customer from your existing list. If your customer database is extensive, use the search functionality to home in on the correct name efficiently. With the customer selected, it's time to input the specifics for the credit note. Enter a unique reference number, which is vital for tracking purposes and ensuring smooth retrieval later. Also specify the date for the credit note. Consider this date carefully as it could affect your financial records. Next, choose an item to be credited, add the product or service affected by this adjustment, and assign the appropriate price for transparency. Make sure you're precise with these details, as any discrepancy could lead to issues with client billing. Once satisfied with the entries, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save as Open button and click it. This action finalizes the process, and your credit note is now effectively issued and ready to be allocated to any applicable invoices. This allocation process simplifies correcting billing errors and managing returns or discounts efficiently. Remember, the key to effective billing management is accuracy, so ensure every step is followed carefully. And there we go, you've now successfully learned how to issue a credit note and allocate it to a sales invoice in Zoho Books. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your invoicing needs. Be sure to leave any questions or comments below and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.